नर्वस तो नहीं फील करती मैं, बट रैंप पे कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम कर लेती हूँ, अनुलोम विलोम, और फिर मैं चलना शुरू करती हूँ।
How you feel being attached to this kind of cause and it is reaching out?
I think it's a brilliant idea, a great initiative to create fashion and have the thought of also creating livelihood for these people in Saharanpur, and I totally support the cause. And look at the kind of fashion Mohammed churns out. I think it truly is very innovative. It's very hard to work with wood, but he's made it look so glamorous, and it's given power dressing a new definition. So kudos to you, Mohammed, and I also love the fact that you've shown people in Saharanpur that you are actually supporting them and giving them a livelihood, which really is something that must be taken note of. So wonderfully done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's not that heavy actually. It's very well supported.
तो शिल्पा मैम, इतने एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी क्या रैम्प पे चलने से पहले आपको भी नर्वसनेस या कॉन्फिडेंस कुछ होता है, कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप?
नहीं, नर्वस तो नहीं फील करती मैं, बट रैंप पे कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम कर लेती हूँ, अनुलोम विलोम, और फिर मैं चलना शुरू करती हूँ।
It's been 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week.
Yes.
So, do you remember the first time you walked the ramp?
No, I don't. Do you? I really don't remember the first time I walked, but I do remember walking many a times for Lakme Fashion Week, and every experience has been a memorable one. I've walked for designers who were just starting out, who are very famous today and doing extremely well for themselves. And I think this is a great platform to showcase designers' work and what they believe in. And I've seen designers starting from scratch today, designing internationally. So I think the first platform that they've got is from here, from India. And I just think, it's an amazing opportunity.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपकी तरफ।
बच्चा है
चल पूछ
मैम,
सुबह से प्रैक्टिस कर।
लास्टली ईद विश आपकी तरफ से, और सलमान सर की भी सिकंदर आ रही है, उस पर कुछ रिएक्शन आपको देना।
ईद का
सबको ईद मुबारक।
मूवी आ रही है।